Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a super tasty recipe that is instant jalebi. You can make this at home within just 10 minutes and it turns super tasty and yummy. Preparing this recipe is too simple and easy. All you need is just 6 simple ingredients to prepare this instant jalebi recipe. So let's get started. So before going to the video, if you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe. So we're preparing this instant jalebi recipe. We need maida 2 cups, semolina or suji 2 spoons, baking soda 1 spoon, salt for taste, and a medium sized lemon, and sugar for preparing sugar syrup. So let's get started. First take a bowl and add 2 cups of maida to it. After adding maida, add 2 spoons of suji or semolina to this mixture and add a pinch of salt to it. Mix this mixture well. Make sure that it's not forming any lumps. After mixing, prepare the batter by adding water to it. Make sure that the batter is thick. So mix it well. Make sure that it's not forming any lumps. Prepare a thick consistency as shown in the video. So batter is ready. It's thick in consistency. You can also use a beater for mixing this consistency. And yes, our batter is ready and it's thick. It's perfect. So to this I'm going to add 1 spoon of baking soda to it and mix it well. So to achieve the so taste in jalebis, we are going to add 2 spoons of lemon juice to this batter. So after adding lemon juice, mix it well. And yes, our jalebi batter is ready. Keep this batter aside. Just leave it for 10 minutes to soak. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare sugar syrup. So for preparing sugar syrup, I have taken a kadai. So to this I am going to add 2 cups of sugar. And I'm going to add 2 cups of water to it. So after adding water, stir continuously. Let the sugar melt. You can keep it in high flame to melt the sugar. As you can see in the video clip, the sugar started melting. Stir this continuously. So as you see in the video clip, the sugar almost melted and it started boiling. You can also see the bubbles at the top of the sugar syrup. So our sugar syrup is almost done. So now I'm going to add 1 spoon of ilachi powder to it to give it a nice flavor to jalebis. So stir it well. Make sure that the sugar syrup is not too thick because we are preparing sugar syrup for jalebis here. So as you can see that the syrup is sticky. So turn off the flame. Now add yellow food color to it. It's optional. You can also skip this. So add 1 spoon of lemon juice to it. We are adding lemon juice to prevent the sugar syrup from getting tightened. And yes, our sugar syrup is ready. Keep it aside. So now take any cover and pour the prepared jalebi batter into it. Do not completely pour into the cover. Make sure you fill it half or 3/4 of it. So after pouring the jalebi batter, tie it with a rubber band and make a hole to make jalebis. Now heat the oil and deep fry the jalebis. Fry it until golden brown. Make sure that the jalebis are perfect in shape. Now turn the other side of the jalebi. After deep frying the jalebis, add into the sugar syrup which we had prepared earlier. Yes, our jalebis are almost done. Now take the jalebis and add the jalebis into the prepared sugar syrup and soak it for 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure that it soaks completely. And yes, our tasty jalebis are done. Fry the remaining jalebis. So our jalebis are soaked well. Serve the jalebis. It turns out super tasty. Our instant tasty and yummy jalebi recipe is done. Do prepare it at your home. Enjoy this recipe. And also don't forget to comment in the comment section. Let me know how the taste turned out. You can also add sugar syrup at top. Garnish with grated dry fruits is optional. And yes, our jalebis are done. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.